Ethan? I'll be right back.
Just time twice for all.
Thanks, reverse. Alright, you stay here. This is the elevator at IKEA, Broadway Commons, Hicksville, New York. You guys come in? OTIS. It's a cat view. And there is Ethan right there. Let's go look. Oh yeah. There's a Chick-fil-A. My pleasure. Alright. On the OTIS, you know what's interesting? The OTIS that used to be, you know the OTIS elevator that used to be here? This wall was never here. They put this in later.
It's silly.
I don't know why they did that.
It's almost like it's meant to swap shopping carts.
Oh, anyway, here goes that, and I might have to film the other one later. So, anyway. Oh yeah, cool. Oh, there you go.